if you want to sell in the USA and you also want to sell in Australia, then yes, you need two, count them, two accounts. So, and the way you get two accounts is with two different email addresses. So you've got to have two accounts. You can't sell on the same account through the one account. Hope that makes sense. Having said that, there are places around the world where you can sell in different marketplaces from the one account. So if I come over here, for instance, here we go. This is one of the accounts, and you'll see that this is for Amazon.com. If I click onto that, you'll see that you also get with Amazon.com, Amazon.Canada. I just love saying Canada. I can't help myself. And Amazon in Mexico. So you get Canada and Mexico as part and parcel of your Amazon.com. So you kind of get that. Now, similar situation here in Australia. You get Amazon.com.au, but you also get Amazon.jp, Amazon in Japan. I'm off to Japan in, what is it now, maybe 4 months' time. We're going to go over and live there for a couple of months, say hello to all of them, and see if I can figure out how to sell stuff over there. So it should be awesome fun. So some platforms, some marketplaces, you do get access to more than one. Others, you only get one. So for instance, Amazon in India, you only get Amazon in India. You don't get anywhere else. Amazon in the UK actually gives you access to all of Europe. So you get one, and you get 6 different marketplaces where you can sell in. But if you want to sell in Amazon Australia and on Amazon.com, then you will need 2 accounts. And you do that with 2 credit cards and 2 different email addresses. Sorry, 1 credit card, 2 email addresses. That's what you need for that. So Florian, hope that helps you, matey.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.